In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on device protection and run an antivirus scan on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So first, open the Settings app, then scroll and select Device Care. From here, look for the option App Protection and tap on it. Then you should see the button to turn it on. So tap on the button, confirm your trace. Then you should see App Protection has now been turned on. To run an antivirus scan, select the option Scan Phone, and then just wait for your phone to be scanned. It may take a while, depending on how many files, apps, and data you have on your device, so just wait patiently. Then, once the scan is complete, you'll be given a list of all data that has been found, if any viruses have been found or anything similar. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.